Hey guys, we're on the way to the Rainforest Cafe. It's Palmer's birthday. Yay, the big 25.
Okay, I'll come down that staircase on your right.
That's the staircase to the right.
Does that work or should I go to the mailroom?
Oh no, that's great. That works, Hannah.
Okay, see you in a second.
Yay!
Honey, I'm home.
What do you think? So overwhelmed. It's awesome.
Heartbreak feels good in a place like this.
This is the story of the Rainforest Cafe. Hold on. Wow. Oh my goodness.
That's amazing.
What'd you got? I got a hat. We're heading back from the Rainforest Cafe. Back. I have my new hat. The orange really suits you. Yeah, I know. I think I look really good right now. Oh wait, Hannah, you have to say goodbye to the camera.
Oh, bye camera.
Look at the sky. It's a little treat after our rainforest journey.